Hello friends, today we are solving another Maths Olympiad challenge question. Solve the irrational equation cube root of 2x minus 3 plus cube root of 3x plus 2 equals to 3. So we'll take late first component, that is cube root of 2x minus 3 is u, and cube root of 3x plus 2 equals to v. Then u plus v equals to 3. Now u cube equals to 2x minus 3, v cube equals to 3x plus 2. If I'll multiply 3 in u cube, I'll get 3u cube equals to 6x minus 9. And if I multiply 2 in v cube, twice v cube is equals to 6x plus 4. Now adding these two, it's not adding, I'll subtract, then only x will be cancelled. I'll get the relation between u and v. Subtracting 3u cube minus 2v cube equals to minus 9 minus 4 minus 13. u plus v is given to be 3. So v equals to 3 minus u. Replacing here, I'll get 3u cube minus twice 3 minus u whole cube equals to negative 13, or expanding it, 3u cube minus twice, it will be 27 minus u cube minus 27u plus 9u square is equals to minus 13, or 3u cube minus 54 plus 2u cube plus 54u minus 18u square plus 13 is 0, and this gives us 5u cube minus 18u square plus 54u minus 41 is 0. So applying factor theorem, u equals to 1. See that p of u equals to 5 minus 18 plus 54u 41 equals to 0. So u minus 1 is a factor. What is the other factor? By dividing, actually you will get 5u cube minus 18u square plus 54u minus 41 equals to u minus 1 into 5u square minus 13u plus 41 is 0. You will see the second factor, there is no real solution. 5u square minus 13u plus 41 is no real solution. Then we have only one solution, that is u is equals to 1. Solution. When u equals to 1, v equals to 2, because u plus v is 3. So what about x? U equals to cube root of 2x minus 3, that is equals to 1. That means 2x minus 3 equals to 1, or x is 2x equals to 4, or x is equals to 2. Now let us see, verify for v if we are the same or not. So v equals to 2. So 3x plus 2 cube root equals to 2. That means 3x plus 2 equals to 8. 3x equals to 6 or x equals to 2. So for this, x is equals to 2 is only solution. Thank you for watching.